dynamic drop-down list in Excel. First, type in a list with all the options you like to appear on your drop-down list, including a heading. Then select the list, press Ctrl+T if you are using PC, command+T if you are using Mac to convert your list into a table. Tick my table has a header because we have a header. Click OK to convert your list into the table. And then goes to Formulas, select Name Manager. You don't have to do this. You can use the default table 5 as your name of the table. But for easy reference and easy for you to remember, go to Editor, give your table a sensible name. So let's call it Fruits. Click OK and close the window. And then go to wherever you like to create the drop-down list and go to Data. Select the data validation. Change any value to list by click this options. Go to source, type in equal to indirect. It's not case sensitive. And then bracket, double quote, and the name of your table, which is fruits, double quote, and bracket. Once you're done, click OK. There you go. You have the drop-down list refer to the table. And the beauty of this is if you add new option to your list, you don't have to do anything. It will automatically appear on your drop-down list.